the slime challenge tomorrow. These are the kinds of glues and stuff that we're gonna use, except for I'm not gonna add everything. There's going to be a slime challenge tomorrow, and there's going to be more ingredients. There's just a lot of them in the back or on the couch getting ready to hide them. I'm just introducing these 4 because these are the main things we're going to use. So it's glow in the dark Elmer's glue, some clear blue glue, that's Elmer's, and the biggest stage, Elmer's glitter blue glue. It's like the largest glue package we can have, unless you buy a big gallon of it, which can be very unlikely. So, and this is the Elmer's magical liquid. It kind of acts like activator. So we bought this. If you don't know, I've gotten inspired from Sis vs. Bro. Go check out their channel, Sis vs. Bro, and you can also go to their merch if you go see one of their videos about their merch. I'm not saying things correctly. And so, yeah, we're going to put these back where they were, which will not take a long time. Okay, we're ready. Okay, Dad, you're behind the scenes, so when you're ready, you're gonna get out the scissors in The Secret Life of Pets, which is we're doing The Secret Life of Pets unboxing today, but it's not Secret Life of Pets, it's Secret Life of Pets 2. It just came out, so make sure to check out that movie. It's so sad, and it's also so awesome. And, okay, in 3, 2, no, I gotta say something first.
Go ahead.
Okay, so we're doing Secret Life of Pets 2. It just came out. I'm gonna repeat that because something So, in 3, 2, 1. So, we got here a Secret Life of Pets package. So, I'm really hoping for Duke, or Gidget, or Max, or Chloe, or Snowball, or Pickles, or Daisy, which is one of the exclusives, or who, basically any character. So we're going in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so this is Captain Snowball. Right here, it's called Super Snowball on the back. I'm going to hang this on my backpack for school, or for a backpack for merch if we have merch once we reach a lot of subscribers. So please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss one of our videos. Plus, smash that like button!